Topics covered in Statistics chapter. Welcome to our study of statistics. To begin, we will introduce statistics as a mathematical science, focusing on the entire process of collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. Throughout this chapter, we will transition from basic data handling toward more advanced analytical techniques. Our primary focus will be on exploring the measures of central tendency. We will delve into both the theoretical foundations and the practical calculations of the mean, the median, and the mode, specifically for grouped data. This involves learning how to handle large datasets organized into class intervals to determine a single, representative value that best describes the center of the data. Mastering these fundamental calculations is essential, as we will soon see how these statistical tools serve as the backbone for decision-making in various real-world professional fields. Real-world applications of statistics. Statistics serves as the essential backbone for decision-making across nearly every professional field. For instance, in economics, statistical analysis is used to track inflation and monitor gross domestic product growth. In the field of healthcare, it is the fundamental tool used to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of new medications during clinical trials. Similarly, in the business world, statistics allows companies to understand consumer behavior and identify emerging market trends. By mastering these statistical tools, you will learn how to transform raw, unorganized data into meaningful, actionable information. Ultimately, this mastery will enable you to move beyond guesswork, allowing you to draw objective conclusions and make evidence-based predictions in our increasingly data-driven world. Now that we have outlined the specific mathematical techniques we will be studying, such as the mean, median, and mode, let us explore why these tools are so vital in the real world.